Hey, you.
Hey.
Hi, Kyle.
Hi.
Hi.
Boy, it's windier here than Atlantic.
Yeah? Is it warm?
You won that one. You're getting to run faster now.
Yep. Yo.
Oh, look
You know
who's
what time
here.
Dad's coming?
How'd you find your way?
How far do we have to go to fish?
How'd you guys find us out
I
here?
don't know, we just
We
drove.
smell those
We're
cranks.
driving around, we
At
stopped
least you
up.
didn't smell us.
Whoa, I could sure use a brat.
Yeah.
You come here often?
No. We've been here for 10 years.
I've
You know what?
never been
I
here,
was
and then
we
we
used to
walked right
camp
up
out
on
here in the park, but it was nothing like this
I was
then.
back there, I said, that must be Bert sitting over there.
Want to do that again? Want to do that again so they can see?
Yep.
Yeah. Go.
Where are you going? In the spring, he'd put the trailer out there and leave it out all summer.
Oh, really?
Yeah, my grandparents would stay in it a lot of time. They just lived on the river.
Oh, I thought it was a fancy boat.
That's it, Kyle.
Yeah, I
I'm
love it.
hungry.
Slug.
That what? That thank you card. Did Marianne tell you why it was up?
Heard you got into the blue light.
Fishing.
So what are you doing, Kyle? You fishing? Where's your
Go
fishing
sit
pole?
back there by Kyle. I want to sit there.
No, nobody else is coming.
We can't sit four across the back, can we? Oh, yeah.
Hey, don't do that.
Fit as many in there as you can cram in there. Boy, ain't this fun?
Bobby.
Well, you were helping. Boy, that was slick.
Hey. Wow.
First time I ever done it.
Wow. Gonna take the boat back to the campsite?
Yep.
Should we rock it over a little bit?
All right.
I having fun?
Yeah, you.
Yeah.
Pretty windy out here.
Just a little bit.
Yeah?
I want more fun if I was riding in the boat.
Is that right?
Hey. It's gonna take over here. Are we going the right way?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
We going the right way?
Yep.
Say goodbye.
Over here.
I'm getting wet.